Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In this video, we are basically going to use the Cosign uh, image sign up tool to sign up our Docker image. So the advantage of the Cosign is that it allows you to sign the image using the public and a private key, and using the keys you can verify if there was some change. So it basically adds a layer of security where you can check for any issues with your image if it has been tampered with or some changes was done. So again, we are going to see how we can sign up the Docker images using the Cosign for that purpose. And this video is the fourth part of our distroless image discussion for the Docker. And if you have not seen, I would suggest you to first cover the three parts and then start with this fourth part, because the consign installation we have already covered in the first part. So please go through it to see how to install the cosign. And we are going to continue, and we are basically going to sign our image and then see how we can sign the image, create the key, sign the image, and then how we can verify the image using the keys that we are having. So this is what the agenda is for this video. Let's get started. So let's clear this out. Now, whenever you are starting with the Cosign, I have already installed Cosign, so you can look for that. You will find Cosign Linux AMD 64. For some of them, you will find that in some of the documentation referred to as the Cosign, because they are using the other forms of installation. But when I install on CentOS, it comes like this. Now, it does not really make any differences. You can go ahead and run the commands, and it's going to support them. So you can use the Cosign and generate the key pair. Now with this generate key pair command, it's going to generate a public and a private key for you. So once I run this command, it's going to ask you for a password for your private key. Uh, if you want to put, you can put the password. Okay, it says the private key return to cosign key and the cosign.pub. So if you check at this point, you should have the cosign key and cosign.pub. So these two files has been created by the cosign for you. Now, once you have the cosign keys with you, you can go ahead and sign your images using this cosign key. So you can say cosign Linux AMD 64, and I want to sign the image, then I can say hyphen hyphen key, and I can say I can use this cosign dot key, which is my private key to sign the image. Okay, and the image that I want to sign, I can sign any image with these keys that I want, and build it inside my build process as well. But at this point in time, I want to sign this Docker image. Okay, so this is my Docker image. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to sign this Docker image. Now, what I can do is I can sign up this. Okay, it's asking for the password. Just sign this, and it's going to confirm. Okay, it says pushing signature to index.docker.io. So it has actually signed this in the Docker Hub itself. Now, once this has been signed, and if you want to verify image, whether you know that it has not been tampered with, and you are the only one who can do it, so you can actually publish your key with the image if you want someone else to use it, to make sure that it is completely secure with in that case you need to publish your public key. Now what we are going to do is we are going to verify this image, so that this is the same image and it has not been tampered with. So we are going to verify with the key cosign.pub. Remember that you sign the image with your private key and you are going to verify with the public key for any tampering of the image. So you can do the verify and on the image. Now, once I have done this verify, it should verify and tell me the status of it. So if you look at here, it says verification. It has done on the Docker hub itself, basically Docker registry, and over the image that I have pushed, it says that the cosign claims were validated and the signatures were verified against the specified public key. This means that it has validated, and the image that we have signed up, this is working particularly fine. So this is how you can actually sign up an image and validate them for that there it has not been tampered with, to add an additional layer of your security in your build process for Docker images. All right, before I uh, wrap up this video, so let's go ahead and take a look at this to this image inside the repository. So if I go here, so you would find that this distro image, this is the actual node app, right, that we have pushed, and it was pushed an hour ago. Okay, so this was when I initially pushed it into the uh, repository, but then you will find that this was just 8 minutes ago. So again, this is basically what happens. It puts a sig, okay, additional sig on your image. So here you can see it. This is how basically the cosign is able to verify, right? So again, this is an additional layer which gets attached. It's not very big, it's very 252 bytes in size, so it's very small, but this is the additional layer that you get with the cosign, and this helps in the image verification. All right, so that's all for this video, and I'm going to if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I will suggest you to subscribe now, and uh, in the next video, we are going to discuss why you should not consider the distroless as the complete solution for the security. Rather, think of it like some of the additional steps which will help you improve the overall security for your system and the Docker images. All right, thank you everyone. I'm going to end this video now, and see you all later. Thank you.